You gonna help? Well, what? I just messed up Angel. Let's restart. Hey everybody, Leo Gang here. Welcome back to another video. For today, we're eating Takis. Oops! I opened it from the bottom. I guess I have to do. Just eat the Takis. Yeah, who cares? Imagine my words went backwards because I ate it from the back. Oh, can you remember when I drank some chili from the bottle?
Oh yeah, you drank some chili from the bottle when we were eating soup on Machan.
Soup? I mean noodles.
Yeah.
Noodles. They're so good. Also forgot to say, she's gonna be joining us today. Always. Yeah, just doing a little noise, okay? Yeah, this is my mom. Alright. And we're back. I'm choking. Okay. My nose falling off the bed. Ah! Oh, yeah, you really were. What? Oh, I saw my hair went up. Sorry guys, it's just that these are so good. They're so good. They're so good. Yeah, so what now? This video is going to be made of us eating Takis only.
We know that that you guys not might like this video because we're just eating Takis, but he wanted to make the video. Him. Not me.
You just put out your head. Look guys, finger to finger. I'm winning. Taki power. Ugh.
Yeah.
I win. Cheater. This burns. Not my video, it's his. He's right there by my day. Bye. Ah! He teleported. He's back. Teleport. Back. Teleport. Yeah, teleport back. Okay, I'm just gonna check this stuff, okay? Okay, so it has total fat, okay? Fat 22.5, trans fat 0.
There's no sugar in here, so that's good.
Sodium. Sodium a lot. 420.
Wait, what? Oh my gosh.
I know, right? Wait, I got one of her chips. Ow. That's better. Okay, just ignore that. Do I look like an angel? Hallelujah. 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 Sorry guys, these chips are so good. And spicy.
Now we're almost done with that.
No, not me. Let me check yours. Oh yeah. Still on 7:45 seconds.
So they will light it at time. Yep, bye.
Yeah. Remember to leave a like and leave a comment if you want down below and subscribe. Bye.
Bye guys.